10 cool gadgets that will blow your mind. In a world bursting with innovation, gadgets have become an essential part of our lives, making everyday tasks easier, more exciting, and often mind-blowing. Imagine holding technology that feels straight out of the future, something compact, practical, and ridiculously clever. Whether you're into sound tech, ingenious tools, or home accessories, these gadgets redefine what's possible. Each one is not just a product, it's a conversation starter, a game changer, and your next favorite tool. HOEM Mic 01 Microphone. Say goodbye to muffled audio recordings and hello to crystal clear sound with the HOEM Mic 01 microphone. This compact yet powerful microphone is a dream for creators, podcasters, and anyone passionate about high-quality sound. Designed for portability, it delivers exceptional audio clarity whether you're recording in a quiet studio or a noisy outdoor environment. Its advanced noise-canceling technology ensures background sounds are minimized, so your voice remains the star. But that's not all. This microphone is incredibly versatile, compatible with a variety of devices like smartphones, cameras, and even laptops. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry, and the plug-and-play setup means you're ready to record in seconds. Whether you're capturing interviews, filming a vlog, or creating TikToks, the HOEM Mic 01 transforms every sound into an immersive auditory experience. Cool Walk Heated Insoles. Winter chills are no match for the Cool Walk Heated Insoles, a gadget that's as practical as it is genius. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, commuters, or anyone who despises cold feet. These insoles deliver gentle, even warmth to keep you cozy all day long. The insoles are rechargeable with an impressive battery life that lasts through extended hours of use. Made from high-quality, breathable materials, they fit seamlessly into any shoe without feeling bulky or uncomfortable. The temperature control is another standout feature, allowing you to adjust the heat based on your preference. Imagine hiking through snowy trails or braving a frosty morning commute, all while your feet stay perfectly warm. Say goodbye to frozen toes and hello to ultimate comfort, courtesy of Cool Walk. These insoles are more than just a luxury, they're a winter essential. KNZ Go Duo Wireless Speakers. Get ready to upgrade your listening experience with the KNZ Go Duo wireless speakers, the perfect mix of style, portability, and mind-blowing sound quality. These speakers are designed to split into two separate units, offering a true stereo experience that fills any space with immersive audio. The magnetic design allows you to connect them together for easy carrying or set them apart for a more expansive soundstage. The rugged, waterproof build makes them ideal for outdoor adventures, whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a poolside party. And don't let their size fool you. These speakers pack a punch with deep bass and crystal clear treble. The long battery life ensures your tunes keep going, whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying some solo relaxation time. Sandmark Microscope Lens. Unlock the unseen world with the Sandmark Microscope Lens, a must-have for photography enthusiasts and curious minds alike. This lens attaches effortlessly to your smartphone, transforming it into a portable microscope. Imagine capturing stunning, detailed images of the tiniest objects, from intricate leaf patterns to the texture of your favorite fabric. Perfect for hobbyists, students, and professionals, this gadget delivers magnification levels that rival traditional microscopes, all while maintaining sharp, vibrant image quality. Its compact size makes it easy to take anywhere, letting you explore nature, science, or creative projects on the go. With the Sandmark Microscope Lens, the world is your canvas, and every detail becomes a masterpiece. DuVos Speaker. Sleek, stylish, and packing a punch, the DuVos speaker is not your ordinary audio device. With its compact, futuristic design, it blends seamlessly into any setting, while delivering room-filling sound. The speaker boasts cutting-edge technology, including 360-degree sound dispersion and enhanced bass, ensuring every note hits just right. What sets it apart is its smart connectivity features. Whether you're streaming via Bluetooth or connecting to multiple devices at once, the DuVos speaker makes the process seamless. And its durable, water-resistant build ensures it's ready for any adventure, indoors or out. It's not just a speaker, it's a statement piece that redefines portable sound systems. George Gruber Titan Wallet. The George Gruber Titan Wallet is the ultimate blend of style, security, and functionality. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this wallet is built to last while exuding an air of luxury. It's designed to hold your cards and cash securely, with RFID blocking technology that protects against electronic theft. Its slim profile fits comfortably in your pocket without adding bulk, and the minimalist design is perfect for modern-day essentials. But the Titan wallet isn't just about looks, it's about performance. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or heading out for a night on the town, this wallet ensures your valuables are safe and accessible at all times. CheerDots 2. Revolutionize the way you control your devices with CheerDots 2, a compact, versatile gadget that lets you operate screens from a distance. This smart button is designed to work seamlessly with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, offering a hands-free experience like no other. Whether you're presenting in a meeting or lounging on the couch, CheerDots 2 puts control at your fingertips. Its sleek, minimalist design and intuitive setup make it a joy to use. The magnetic backing allows it to attach easily to any surface, and its battery life ensures you stay connected all day. With CheerDots 2, convenience meets innovation in the most stylish way possible. Venti Cozy Pod. Create your own private sanctuary with the Venti Cozy Pod, a portable, soundproof booth perfect for work, relaxation, or meditation. This cleverly designed pod provides a quiet, comfortable space, blocking out noise and distractions so you can focus on what matters. Whether you're taking calls, working remotely, or just need a moment of peace, the Cozy Pod delivers unparalleled comfort and utility. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to set up anywhere, and the built-in ventilation system ensures a fresh, comfortable environment. With the Venti Cozy Pod, your personal retreat is always within reach. Ayaneo Retro Mini PC AM02. The Ayaneo Retro Mini PC AM02 combines nostalgia and cutting-edge technology in one compact device. This retro-inspired PC features a sleek design reminiscent of classic gaming consoles, but don't be fooled. It's packed with modern hardware capable of handling everything from gaming to productivity tasks. Its portability and impressive battery life make it perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. With customizable controls and powerful performance, the Ayaneo Retro Mini PC AM02 is more than a gadget. It's a gateway to endless entertainment and creativity. Olyta Mini 2. Tiny yet incredibly powerful, the Olyta Mini 2 is a keychain flashlight that redefines portable lighting. Despite its small size, it delivers an impressive beam of light, making it ideal for everyday carry, emergencies, or outdoor adventures. Its durable, waterproof construction ensures it can handle the toughest conditions, while the magnetic base allows for hands-free use. The quick charging capability means it's always ready when you need it. With the Olyta Mini 2, you'll never be left in the dark. The Mini 2 typically offers a maximum output of 15 lumens on its highest setting, which is bright enough for close-up tasks, such as finding items in a bag, navigating at night, or emergency use. The flashlight is rechargeable via USB Type-C. This ensures a fast charging experience and the convenience of a modern charging standard. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.